Hey, come on in. All right, so if we haven't told you already, we are in the beautiful country of Panama, specifically in Panama City. So come on in, let me show you around. So Aaron and I decided to splurge a little bit on this trip because we were celebrating the fact that we've been at this for almost a year, and that's a really big deal. So we booked our stay at the Waldorf Astoria here in Panama City. We are in a junior suite, and as you can see back there, we've got a view of the Pacific Ocean. So let's talk about service. If you have never stayed at a top of the line hotel, which we have not, service is really their focus. So not only were we reached out to by a concierge beforehand to help set up our transport from the airport here, but they greeted us at the car, they took our luggage, we had a welcome drink, which was this beautiful iced tea with a little bit of mint in it. We got escorted to our room where we were then greeted with macaroons. Do you see these beauties? They've got sparkles and everything. We've got robes in the bathroom. Come on in, let's look at this big spa bath. So not only do we have double vessel sinks, we've got a waterfall shower with the large rain head and the body wands. And then back here, we've got a soaking tub. I mean, literally, Aaron and I both could fit in here, and probably the kids. This is massive. And when we get out of that lovely soak, we've got 2 embroidered robes that we can wear around the room. So last but not least, let me take you out to the balcony and Aaron can pan around and show you the view. Come on, let's go. All right, after you. So there you have it. Quick tour of the room, quick first impressions. This hotel is amazing. Now we're gonna get changed because clearly we're not dressed for the weather and go outside and grab something to eat.